Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Looperman. Today I'll teach you fate SFX popping sound, which sounds like. He uses it in beats like. And also that cover, Fateless Insomnia. Yeah. Um, First, you have to pretend that you're coughing, like your throat aches so much and you have to cough, like. um, you have to make the sound even shorter, like, so you can hear your vocals. So it's like, it's a very high pitched sound, so you have to raise your voice as high as you possibly can, like. And when you add this to the short time coughing, you get the popping sound. Yeah, guys, that's the sound. You need some time to master it. Thanks again for watching. I reach 510 fans. I'll probably upload the bongo drum tutorial tomorrow. My Facebook fan page is down here. And if you got any questions or ideas, or you want to share something with me or anything, please post it on my Facebook fan page, not on my YouTube page. Peace.